What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel and thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to wash our Airstream. Now typically we like to give this thing a good once over after a trip, but unfortunately after the last haul time didn't allow. So we finally got it out of storage and we got it over here to the house. You may have seen the past couple videos where we've done a couple DIY projects. Well, this time I'm going to show you the products and the equipment that we use to get this thing clean. So a quick but very important note, make sure that you're going with the grain of the metal, of the aluminum. Go side to side, don't go up and down or in a swirl motion, because if there are dirt, debris, anything that may be in the cloth that you're using, you could potentially leave scratches, streaks, and could be rather costly down the line. There you have it, guys. It took us about 2 hours to get this Airstream clean, but as you saw, I did have 2 sets of helpful little hands to get this job done. Now I do want to mention, I was using the McGuire's car wash right here, but lo and behold, as we were shooting this video, Amazon pulled up and I did get a delivery. 2 items, this Womanizer wash and wax, and also this Walbernized RV Super Seal. Now, I've seen some reviews online about these products, and a lot of Airstreamers apparently use them with great success. So my question is to any Airstreamers that are out there, you know, is this a good product to use? Should I use both the wash and wax, or wash it with regular detergent and then use the Super Seal? I'm told that you use this 2 times a year. It is early February almost, so I'll probably wait until spring to give it the first coat, and then wait until fall for a second time. But I'm very curious and rather excited to see the difference between these products, these Walbernized, and good old Meguiar's. So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe, turn on those notifications, and guys, we'll see you down the road.